In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Calendar to schedule your day and to use it as your to-do list. So first of all, what you need to do, if you're using your PC or laptop, you're going to open any browser in your system, and then you're going to type into the search box for Google Calendar. And once you search for Google Calendar, you should be able to see that on the top link. So you're gonna click on that, and once you are here, you should be able to see here your calendar. Today is 6th, which is Saturday, so I am able to see this. But if you wanna see some more dates, like you wanna have a weekly perspective, you can just select this option from here, which is day, and then you can just switch to week. And after that, you should be able to see here your whole week, which will start from Sunday until Saturday. So in the same manner, you can just switch this to monthly as well or year as well. So if you just switch to monthly, you should be able to see here some of your events. Like as you can see here on the first of May, we have Labor Day. So if you wanna use this as your to-do list, I will just suggest you to go with a perspective of your day. For this, you can just click on this option again, and then you can click on day. And once you are here, you should be able to see here all of your timings. And as your day starts with night, which will be 12 a.m. from night until 11 p.m. in the next night. So which will be 24-hour cycle. So if you wanna schedule any of your tasks, you can just click on that time zone. If I wanna do exercise at 8 a.m., I'm just gonna go with 8 a.m. and then I'm just going to type in here the task which I will do, which is exercise in this case. Once you have done that, you can click on save. And if you want to do any changes, like if you want to do the time changes in this task, you can always click on that, and then click on this edit event option. Once you do that, you should be able to adjust here your timing, your description, and the color of this task. As you can see here, this task will start at 8 a.m. until 9 a.m. But if I say that I want to do exercise until 9:30, I can always choose that and then click on save. And once I do so, as you can see here, it has been extended. Similarly, if I say that if I want to have a different color for this task, I can just click on that, then click on edit event again, and after that you can just click on your color, and you should be able to see here all of the colors which Google Calendar allows you to choose between. So I can just go with any random right now and then click on save. Once I do so, the color of this task will change. So for example, you don't want to click on this again and again and adjust the timing. You just want to do it in the start. For this, if you want to schedule a task, like if you want to schedule a task from 11 a.m. To 1 p.m., you can just click on 11 a.m. and then you are going to move your cursor until 1 p.m. and this task will be set to 2 hours. Similarly, you can just type in here a name for this task as well. Like I'm just going to type in meeting, click on save, and then you can just, if you want to delete this task, you can just click on that and then click on delete event. As you can see here, this is the reminder that you will be reminded 30 minutes before this task is going to occur. As this task is going to occur at 11 a.m. So this means we will be reminded at 10:30 a.m. So if I just click on edit event again, as you can see here, you can just change here the time that how before you want to get reminded. So for example, if I say that I just want to get reminded 1 hour before, so I can just click here, so I can just select here 60 minutes, and then I can click on save. And if I check again, as you can see here, that I will be reminded 1 hour before. Similarly, you can just fill all of your day with tasks. If I just click here again, in the same manner, I am able to create some more tasks. Like for this one, I'm just gonna type in the name study and then click on save. For example, if I wanna edit the color again, just click on this task, click on edit event, and this time I wanna edit this color to yellow. And once you have done that, you can click on save. For example, you want to have some tasks which you want to repeat, like for the study one. If I say that I want to repeat this task every day, I want to click on that and then click on edit event. Once you do so, you should be able to see here an option of repeating. Currently it's on does not repeat, but if I say that I want to do this task every day, I can just select daily and then click on save. And once I do so, as you can see here that I was editing task for 1st of April, but if I just go to 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, I will be able to see here this same task on all of my dates. So if I just go to that date again, which is 1st, as you can see here, this is all of my tasks. And if you say that you want to see all of these tasks on your phone as well, you can just install the Google Calendar application from your Play Store or your App Store. And then the thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you log in into the same Google account which you are using on your PC, and by using which account you just created all of your tasks. So in the same way, you can just schedule your tasks. And if I just switch from day to week, as you can see here, this is the repeating task which is study, and rest of the tasks we have them only one time. So if I just say that on the 1st of this April, I have missed this task, and if I want to move it to the next day, for this you are just going to go with a broader perspective which is week. If you are on the day, you can just switch to week, and then you can just drag and drop this task on any date. Similarly, you can also do that over here. And if you want to, or if you want to change the timing of any task, you can do it as well. For example, if I have just another meeting, I can just drag and drop this into any other time zone as well. And as you can see here, now it is from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Similarly, if we just go to our month, as you can see here that all of the dates have the same task which is study at 3 p.m. and only first two or three ones have these exercise and meeting tasks. Similarly, if I just move to the next month, I can see here that it's reoccurring again and again. And if I want to stop that, I can just go on the first date again, click on study, and just click on edit event. And for now, I'm just going to remove this or switch from daily to does not repeat. Once I have done that, I can click on save again, and then I can just switch from day to week. And as you can see here that this study task is only once and now it's not repeating. So this is how you can just use Google Calendar to schedule your daily tasks and to use it as your to-do list. Thanks for watching.